friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We're doing my everyday hair routine. Usually every day. I might not do it every day because, you know, heat damage, but I heat damage it. So this is my regular hair. It's very pretty straight. If I did let it air dry, if I did like a curly girl routine, I do have like some wave like through here and everything. So I think maybe it wants to be wavy, but it's really not. But this is my hair straight. I don't really ever wear my hair straight. I just feel like I need more volume. And when I curl it and like brush it out, that's the kind of volume I like. But this is my hair. Here it is. We just did my makeup. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up there of my everyday makeup routine. But here's my straightener, and this is what I use to do my hair. I usually use like the Lange brands of I think it's the La Duo to do it, but it got kind of old, so I got a new one. It's just no particular brand. It's pretty random. And usually my hair only takes like maybe 10 minutes, if that. We're already at a minute, so don't judge me from my talking. But yeah, I curl it with the straightener. I know a lot of people have trouble with the straightener. It's just as easy as can be, so let's do it. I don't wash my hair every day. When I wash my hair, and before I dry it, I do put in, I've just started doing this like in the last few months, and I feel like it helps hold the curl and it helps give me volume. And it is the Tresemme Extra Hold Mousse. Yeah, and you just spray it in your hand, a little dollop of whipped cream, and just put it through. Usually whatever shampoo and conditioners I use, right now I'm using the Native brand, and I really liked it. It's like $10 per bottle, and it's a pretty big bottle. It's over on my bathtub over there. That's the they have different ones, but I try to usually get a shampoo and conditioner for volume. I also use the Redken Volume Injection shampoo and conditioner. Just in there, I just put it in bottles with the pump. So yeah, so first off, a lot of times I won't even section my hair, I just grab chunks, but for this I will section it just into 2 sections, and I just twist it up and you put a little clip back there. Here we go. And I just go for it. Usually I'll separate my hair into 2 sides after that. I like to start from the back. I don't know why. It's just easier for me. And you just grab, you're gonna make fun of me. You just grab a chunk of hair. You just grab a piece of hair, take your straightener, I go behind my head, and you get it in between, and you can either give it 1 half twist or go a full twist and just take it down your hair. Well, look at that. There it is. It's that easy. I don't know if I've used an actual curling iron in a very long time. So because my hair is a little longer, I usually do like a full twist. And there we go. There we go. And that's a quarter of your hair done already. And I always go away from the face. You can alternate. I used to alternate, I think in my original hair video, which I did a long time ago at my old house, so more than 3 years ago probably. I did alternating then, but I just do them all the same way now. And I know it doesn't look natural or whatever, but I just really like the way it looks. So yeah, I mean, look how we're almost done with the bottom section. It's just so fast. I mean, I have fine hair, so obviously, oops, this side up here is gonna have to get done. If you have thicker hair, it's gonna take you longer. But I do have pretty fine hair, which is also why I like to curl it, because like I said, it gives me volume because my hair is pretty fine. Hey girl, you got some fine hair. Thank you. Oh, my phone's listening to me. Why? Oh, I think I said hey girl.
Thank you, Rachel.
I think I said hey girl and it thought I said hey Google. Oh, there we go. So bottom section's done. And then sometimes, like just for now I guess, I'll hairspray. This is the extra hold. I don't really like it. I feel like it gives it too much hold, and I know it's extra hold, but I don't know. It's not my favorite hairspray, but it's what I have. All right, so now that that section's done, I take my clips, take the one from up here, and I clip the hair we've already done back, and then we do the rest. So, yeah. Hello, hair. And we just brush it out. If your hair is all snarled when you do it, I mean, it's gonna be snarly when you curl it. So make sure it's brushed out nice and smooth. And yeah, I don't know why I start from the back. When I start from the front, I feel like, I don't know, it's not as easy to differentiate the hair you curled and the hair you didn't. So you can kind of just twist it with your finger too. So yeah, I think that's why I do it that way. Just little sections. I've seen people do it this way, and I think maybe that's what trips them up. I feel it's a lot easier if you go down like that. Because when I try to do it the other way, it confuses me. So I think maybe that's what some people do, and then they just twist it too much. It's like if you like this, you go up this way and then like that, I feel like there's the cord, there's everything there, but if you do it up, it just feels easier to me. And then I leave like the last little bit kind of straight at the end. I don't know, to like kind of still have length, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right, last section. How are we doing on time? I don't know, because I keep cutting clips so that I don't look like I'm just not talking the whole time. But yeah, whole head of hair. Like I said, mine's fine. If you have thicker hair, you might have more sections. You just take small amounts at a time. And that's part of it too. I think if people take too big of sections, it doesn't curl obviously as good. What do you guys use to curl your hair? Do you use a straightener or do you use a curling iron? Comment below. I feel like when I'm doing this, I don't realize, but I have resting bitch face when I do it. So I'm trying not to. I think that's just my concentration face. Wrong one. All right, and then the camera keeps getting more and more moved. I think You're just balanced on a stack of books and a candle and an eyeshadow palette, so real professional. So then I just kind of let it cool a little bit for it to stay, and I'll brush it out typically, but I do like, oh, that side needs a little bit more. And when you brush it out too, you can go back in and just kind of curl more pieces that you want curled, or straighten pieces that are too curly, you know. It's your world. You do what you want. How do you guys wear your hair every day? Are you a long hair? Are you like a let your hair down kind of person, or do you like to put it up? I'm always a wear my hair down. So yep, so I just go, I know I look crazy. I just go and I brush through the curls to break them up, give like a soft wave. It's a soft wave, get it? Yeah, there's my hair. Back in the day, I used to wrap my hair with a comb at the roots, and like sometimes I still might, but I really think, so I used to go like this and just give a little like tease. Just give a little more, see the difference? I stopped doing that. Probably because it was damaging my hair. You know what else I stopped? I used to use like this Clairol, I think it was Clairol. It was like a root touch-up thing, but I used it to like fill in my part more, and I think that made me lose hair at the roots. I think it like clogged it up, but it's looking a lot better lately. And I think when I was losing weight too, it would like made my hair start to thin, which I've heard is pretty normal. But I have gained about 10 pounds back since then, so I think it's helping my hair too. So that is my hair routine, my everyday hair. Here it is. Let me spin around. Hopefully you got a good look. I couldn't tell because I was behind you. Yeah, everyday hair. I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna film some videos now that you will probably see after you've watched these ones. Like I said, if you want to watch my makeup video, feel free. Any of my other videos. Sorry, I was looking to see if I've had lipstick on my teeth this whole time. It would be on brand if I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.